Scrappy.
Yeah.
Just a burn up a fire inside the Magnum Box.
Yeah, you know.
Scrappy.
Yeah.
Respect, you know.
Respect my G.
Yeah, man. So tell me what the vibe been like now, because you're day one with the Magnum Box.
Yo, to be honest, yo, the vibe is bit. Yo, may I be honest with you? Before me even say nothing, me I big up every single body where they there from day one.
Yeah.
Cause me can call some name like from right or so.
Yeah, man.
Nah go. You know what I mean? But me just I say. So me I big up everybody there from day one, from the first day it start. Them say yo, them love the vibe, them love the energy, whole heap of people. And the woman them love it too.
Definitely.
So you know, whole heap of vibes. You understand me?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
So just a little vibe here give them till the place open up back fully and
Right.
we can touch out outside fully.
Right, because guess what now? You know, Romeich, you know, him ever brainstorm, you see me? And being who I am with all the techniques and them something there. So I say, alright, pen to paper. Him say, oh, you can do it. And I say, yeah man, we can do it, man. From the audio good, man, everything good, man. I'll just do it.
Yeah, man.
You see me? So it's a vibe. Yeah.
What would you say though was you know one of the biggest challenges pulling something like this together?
Yo, one of the biggest challenges, yo. Every night me there. Listen to me now. Listen to me. I don't get a rest. I don't know if she gone, but I hoping she don't move. I can't put her back my glasses.
When you reach back, hopefully she's still there.
Hopefully she's still there. You understand me? Because you know, we're here up until after curfew. You understand me? So all we're doing is providing vibes, providing energy. People can stay home, stay safe, and just take charge of things anytime, anywhere. Save them in them hotel, and the hotel now go on good. Them just turn on them phone, go up on the live, and we just hold a vibe. It's simple as that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, simple as that. Very simple.
So that's the most challenging in terms of, because I know when you see this whole thing pulled together now, the reward it must be a good feeling.
Yeah, because alright, being the young person that I am, you see me, now I get too emotional, but we go through life, we know the ghetto road, we know the street side code and them something there.
Yeah, man.
And if you say a youth from the ghetto certain way, you see me, even though I got one good high school, excel, so big up on yourself,
Alright.
it's still, you understand me? I say it's a great feeling because enough young you like me now, the life have the opportunity if you can do certain things and put it out there. Magnum see it, them love it. I'm young, so I feel good with it myself, you know what I mean? It's a great feeling. No, I'm not telling a lie, because every night when somebody can send me a DM and say, yo, the audio good, the box good, Magnum Box good, me just sit down and pray to God and say, Father God, guide and protect me, give me more knowledge,
Yeah,
if you just go forward more. You know what I mean? So it's a great vibe, it's a great energy. Straight.
And remind viewers, for those who don't know, where them can find you on the socials.
No, you don't know DJ Scrappy __, you can find me. You understand me? With
Everywhere.
Everywhere. You understand me? So it's a great vibe. Hold on, before I'm gonna further talk.
Yeah.
Big up everybody we're in the Caribbean. Look for me good. Them no. Caribbean.
Yeah.
Caribbean, I'm a place. Listen to me. Caribbean, I'm a place. No joke. You understand me? Cause it's not only Jamaica alone Magnum carry me.
Yeah.
Magnum carry me across the Caribbean. I can name out some country sometime I never know me that go there. And because of Magnum explosion back then when the world did free.
Yeah, man.
But did the whole them place there. So I have to big up the Caribbean people them. Trinidad. The whole of Caribbean, I can't count. You understand me, sir? I just the vibes. Put them on my glasses. I'm gonna leave you now still, car. As you can see, I work.
Back on the live, people.
So I'm going back on the work. Stay up on the live, you know what I mean?
would you say though was you know one of the biggest challenges pulling something like this together?
Yo, one of the biggest challenges, every night me there. Listen to me now. Listen to me. I don't get a rest. I don't know if she gone, but I hoping she don't move. I can't put her back my glasses.